Good morning students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Can you see here how many things I have kept on the table? Like this whiteboard, marker pens, pencil, pen holder, books and some notebooks over here and water bottle also. Okay, so I'm holding this one. I can easily hold it with my one hand. Okay, this is a little bit lighter. Okay, ये बहुत हल्का है, मैं इसे easily hold कर पा रही हूँ. Now I'm holding this book. This easily I can hold. Now I'm holding all the notebooks and books together. Okay. Oh, this little bit heavier. This I can hold, but it's heavy. It's heavy. I cannot hold these notebooks and books with my one hand. I'm keeping it here. Okay. Oh, it's too much heavy. So, guess what I am doing here? Guess, I'm giving you 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, I'm giving you 5 seconds. What I am doing here? Okay, let me tell you, I'm just measuring the weight. So this is very light, and when I am holding these notebooks and books all together, these are heavier than this one comparison to this one. So students, our today's topic is measures of weight. As we know that we are doing chapter number 9 measurement, and in earlier previous tutorial class we have already done measures of length. Okay, measures of length, we have studied about how to measure the length of an object, the units of length, meter and centimeter, and how to measure the distance of two places. The unit of to measuring distance, it is kilometer and meter. Okay, so today's topic is measures of weight. Fine. So it has two units, kilogram and gram. The standard units of weight in most of these countries are kilograms and grams. So when we use kilograms, we just measure the heavier things, and when we use grams, we measure the lighter things. So this pencil which I am holding, this is light one, so I can measure this pencil's weight in grams. And when I will hold these all these notebooks and books, look at here, this is too much heavy. Suppose 1 and 2 kilogram. Okay, so we can measure these notebooks and books weight in kilograms. Kilograms we just use to measure the weight of heavier things like your weight, my weight, and the weight of your school bag, and fruits, when we purchase some fruits 1 kg 2 kg लेके आते हैं ना हम लोग फ्रूट्स, इनको हम लोग मेज़र कर सकते हैं किलोग्राम में. इट मीन्स दैट हेवियर थिंग्स मेज़र करने के लिए हम किलोग्राम का यूज़ करते हैं, एंड लाइटर ऑब्जेक्ट्स, लाइटर थिंग्स मेज़र करने के लिए हम लोग ग्राम का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, like feather, chocolates, and some examples I have shown you. This pencil, the pens, इसमें देखो पेन होल्डर में सारे पेन्स रखे हुए हैं, इनको भी हम लोग ग्राम्स में ही मेज़र करेंगे. ओके, so here you can see kilogram is written as kg and gram is written as gram in short. किलोग्राम को हम kg में डिनोट करते हैं एंड ग्राम को हम ग्राम में शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. Okay, so here we have a rule. We know that units, we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, or 1 gram is equal to 1 out of 1000. It means that 1 ग्राम 1 kg के 1000th पार्ट होता है. फाइन. 1000 ग्राम मेक्स 1 kg. 1 kg बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. देखो ग्राम कितना कम होता है, ग्राम लिटिल अमाउंट होता है. जब 1000 ग्राम मिलते हैं तो 1 kg बनता है. एंड 1 ग्राम इज़ वेरी लिटिल. 1000 तो बहुत 1 ग्राम तो बहुत छोटी यूनिट होती है. अगर हम उसे केजी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो इट मीन्स दैट ये केजी का 1000th पार्ट होता है. 1 ग्राम 1 केजी का कितना पार्ट होता है? 1000th पार्ट होता है. राइट. सो टुडे वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट मेजर्स ऑफ वेट. सो लेट्स do its exercises. Here, first of all, our topic is conversions of metric units of weight. So, metric units में weight को convert करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Conversion of kg to gram and gram to kg is done in the same manner as you have done in kilometer and meter. जो हमने measures of length में kilometer and meter का किया था, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And here we have rule to convert kg to gram, multiply by 1000, and to convert gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. As I earlier taught you, when we convert kilogram to gram, so kilogram to gram, we just multiply the given number by 1000. And when we convert gram to kilogram, we just divide the given number by 1000. It's just its opposite. We know साइंस, जो हमारे साइंस होते हैं, सिंबल्स होते हैं, लाइक प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीज़न, ये एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होते हैं. प्लस का अपोजिट आपका माइनस होता है एंड मल्टीप्लाई का अपोजिट आपका डिवीज़न होता है. तो बड़ी यूनिट से छोटी यूनिट में जाने के लिए दिस इज़ द बिगर यूनिट. जो हमारी मैट्रिक यूनिट्स होती हैं, मेज़रमेंट की मैट्रिक यूनिट्स में जो हैवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम. So when we go bigger unit to the smaller unit, we just multiplied the given number by 1000. बड़े से छोटे में जाने के लिए हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 1000 से. Why? Because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. ये होता है इसका, ये आपको रूल लर्न करना है. You can learn it and you can write it in your notebook. या आप लिख भी सकते हो और ये आपको लर्न भी करना है. ओके. जैसे आपको 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं, 1 किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर होते हैं. लाइक दैट 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. दैट्स वाई बिगर यूनिट से स्मॉलर यूनिट में जाने के लिए 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, एंड स्मॉलर यूनिट से बिगर यूनिट में जाने के लिए हम 1000 से डिवाइड करते हैं. राइट. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जाम्पल्स. वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स हियर. वी विल सॉल्व इट हियर. Express the following in grams. Question number 1, like, okay, now a simple question, fill in the blanks. We have some questions here. Fill in the blanks. The question comes in many forms. Express the following into grams, express the following into kilograms, or fill in the blanks. ये किसी भी फॉर्म में आ सकते हैं. एंड put the correct symbol, इसके भी फॉर्म में आ सकते हैं. बट यू शुड नो दैट हाउ टू कन्वर्ट किलोग्राम टू ग्राम एंड हाउ टू कन्वर्ट ग्राम टू किलोग्राम. You should know only that things. You can solve all the questions like fill in the blanks, conversion and comparing numbers. आपको फिर ये सारे इजीली आ जाएंगे। आपको बस इतना लर्न करना है कि हमको किलोग्राम से ग्राम में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा एंड ग्राम से किलोग्राम में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा। देन यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ metric units of weight. Understood everyone? So fill in the blanks. Part A, 3 kg is equal to dash gram. Part B, 6 kg 625 gram is equal to dash gram. Part C, 4000 gram is equal to dash kg. And part D, here 8695 gram is equal to dash kg and dash gram. These are the questions which we have to solve here. Okay, so let's take question number 1, part A. This is 3 kg is equal to dash gram. इट्स वेरी ईजी, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन ओरली. आप इनको ओरली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो जब आप इसे लर्न करोगे. जब आपको ये लर्न हो जाएगा 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम, जो आपकी मैट्रिक यूनिट्स की कन्वर्जन है, रूल्स हैं, आपको लर्न होंगे, यू कैन ईजिली सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो जस्ट सी हियर, वी नो दैट वी जस्ट इरेज दिस वन. इसको हम इरेज करते हैं. One by one we will solve the questions here and we'll write the answer here. Okay, so here 3 kg is equal to dash gram. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kg is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000 gram. So student, it's very easy. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3. Now how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3. So we'll put 3 0. Now it's become 3000 gram. So 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram. Understood? Let's take part B. Just erase this one. So part B is 6 kg 625 gram. We have to convert this into gram. So 6 here 6 kg 625 gram. So look at this question carefully. Here we have gram. gram भी है हमारे पास and kg भी है. But what we have to do first? We have to convert only this kilogram because we have already gram here and we have to convert this into gram. हमको ग्राम में चेंज करना है and we have already gram here, so we'll only convert this one, this kg portion. Okay, and the rule is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. ये जो मैट्रिक यूनिट्स हैं ये आपको लर्न होगा तो आप इजीली सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 1 kg में 1000 तो 6 kg में कितने होंगे? ऑब्वियसली 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1000 ग्राम is equal to 6 ones are 6 and thousands how many zero? 1000 में 3 0. So 6000 gram. Now look at here 6000 and here some more grams also here. 6000 plus 6000 gram plus 625 gram is equal to, we'll just add this 6 here, this 2 here and this 5 here. Now it will become 6625 gram. So the answer is 6625 gram. Understood everyone? Now look at part C. Part C is 4000. We have to convert 4000 gram is equal to kilogram. Now what we will do? Kg to gram we just multiplied by 1000 and gram to kg we just divide by 1000. So what we'll do? We just divide 4000 by 1000. Now we'll put here kg. So 1000, it means that we'll just cancel all the 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. Now what is left? 1 4s are 4 is equal to 4 kg. So when we convert 4000 gram into kilogram, we will get 4 kg. 1 kg में 1000 ग्राम होते हैं, तो 4000 ग्राम में कितने kg होंगे? 4 kg, because here 30 after 4, it means 4000. 4 kg is equals to 4000 gram. So here the answer is 4 kg. Understood? Okay. You just again and again I am telling you that you just learn this formula, this rule. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, and when we convert kg into gram, we just multiply it by 1000, and when we convert gram into kg, we just divide by 1000. Okay? Well, students, here the last part, question number 1, part D is left. That is 8695 gram is equal to kg, and gram we have to convert it. So here 8695 gram. Now if we expand it, it is just read it. We have to convert it into kg and gram. So just read it. 8000, when we expand it, 8695 gram. So grams we just written in hundreds place, and kilogram we just written in thousands place. So it is 8695 gram. 8000, it is kg. It means 8000 kilogram and 695 gram. Now what we'll do? We have to convert it into kg and gram. So first we will divide this one. We know when we convert gram into kilogram, we just divide. 8000 divided by 1000, and here kilogram. So what we'll get here? Just cancel all the 0, and 1 8s are 8. It is 8 kg. And how many grams are left here? 695 gram. So we'll write it here. 8 kg and 695 gram. You can separate it. Just last 3 digits convert into grams, and remaining part will convert into kilogram. Okay? Last 3 digit convert into grams, and remaining part will convert into kilogram. It's very easy. आप observe करो इसे, आपको तब भी ये आराम से समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay? Now this is exercise 9E. You have to solve this exercise in your book. I have given some questions in your worksheet also. Now look at the exercise here. This is exercise 9F. What we have to do here? Solve the following. We have to solve these questions. This is actually addition and subtractions. We'll solve it here only. One addition and one subtraction. Okay, this you have to solve in your worksheet. It's very easy. It similarly kilometers and meters which you have solved earlier. आपने जो अपने प्रीवियस वर्कशीट में सॉल्व किया था किलोमीटर एंड मीटर की एक्सरसाइज में एडिशंस, लाइक दैट you have to solve these sums. So here in the grams place we have to add in the ones column 9 plus 5 14. So we'll write here only 4. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 8. And 4 plus 2 6. 1 1. It means that 16 kg and 884 gram. Like that, you can solve all the sums here. This is addition, this is subtraction, and subtractions. You will subtract from the ones place also here. Okay, understood everyone? So this I have already given in your worksheet. You have to solve it, and this convert into fill in the blanks portion, convert into gram and kilogram, and um, kilogram to gram. You have to solve in your worksheet and book also. Okay. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.